Hello, hello. Good afternoon. Happy Sunday. Happy Sunday, beautiful people. Andito ako sa aking maliit na opisina. How is your weekend? Happy Sunday, beautiful people. Good afternoon. 3:22 p.m. na po dito sa Ontario, Canada. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening. Kung saan naman po kayo sa mundo, I hope your Sunday is amazing. So, wrapping up lang ng aking 7 days Go Live Challenge. Yay! See, ito yung challenge namin sa team namin. So we have 7 days challenge. So yes, this is my last day. Yeah, completed my 7 days. So just wrapping up a little bit. Andito yung, kung naririnig nyo yung nagmamap yung aking anak. Nag-cleaning siya after namin mag-church today. So I hope your weekend is amazing. So just wrapping up with my 7 days Go Live Challenge. So we ang dami nating na dami nating topic na na diniscuss. So I hope you guys I have inspired you somehow, and I hope you get value doon sa aking sa ating sa aking sinishare sa inyo. So the first day we had how important it is to surround ourselves with like-minded people, because so my goodness, kung hindi natin gagawin yun, oh my goodness, there are so many bad words, bad Arnold, thank you for watching. There are lots of bad influence out there. Kung hindi natin isusurround ang ating sarili with people that are positive, people that will lift us up. Antonita, thank you for watching. Maraming salamat. So talagang dapat try natin to surround ourselves with people na mag-lift up sa atin as opposed na ida-down tayo, because of course it will be very helpful for us. So, yeah, so again, thank you. Oh my God, 1 million viewers right away. So, kala-live ko lang. So, I'm just wrapping up my 7 days Go Live Challenge. So, yeah, so it's very important. So, that was the day 1 that we discussed. Day 2 was the importance of having a growth mindset. Yes, because I'm not just talking about having the business, but of course, this helps me a lot. Doing my online business, it helps me a lot. I felt that I grow personally talaga big time. The mindset shift is really amazing, and I love it. And yes, so I hope you guys are too. So anything na makakatulong sa atin, so it doesn't matter where we are. So when we talk about growth mindset, trying to do a little bit better every single day. It doesn't matter what field you are in, you're working, it doesn't matter what you're doing. So try a little bit better every single day. So that is what I meant as having a growth mindset. And then number 3, day 3 na pinag-usapan natin na sinishare ko sa inyo is was procrastination. Talagang yaan ang one of the biggest obstacles natin sa buhay ay yung i-live natin. 'Di ba yung saying na don't wait for tomorrow what you can do today. So it's very important kung talagang nandun yung gut feeling. Pagka we need to listen to ourselves, not with other people, not with the outside world, because at the end of the day, sino ba ang makakatulong sa iyo? Sino ba ang gagawa para mapagaan ang buhay mo kung hindi ikaw din? So listen to yourself. Listen to that inner voice, hindi yung sa outside world. So yan yung isang obstacles ng karamihan, because they tend to listen to the outside world. Hindi yung kung ano talaga yung nararamdaman, kung ano talaga yung feeling, yung gut feeling nila, hindi yun ang sinusunod, kundi yung mga input from the outside. So which is not, like, because at the end of the day, sinong magtataguyod sa iyo kung hindi ikaw rin? Hindi sila, di ba? Sophia, thank you for watching. So, hindi sila. Kung na-behind ka sa bills mo, sino bang magbabayad? Tutulungan ka ba ng ibang tao? No. So listen to yourself. Yan ay importante din. And then the fourth day, I shared with you guys on what I do on replacing those unnecessary habits into a more functional one. So I think if I remember it, like those scrolling time na ginagawa natin. Thank you. Say thank you for watching. Thank you guys. Thank you na sinasamahan niyo ako. Dito ako sa opisina ko today. So replacing unnecessary habits. So one example is yung mag-i-scroll lang tayo sa Facebook or whatever we're doing, right? Nanonood tayo ng videos on YouTube or whatever. Those, like, it's okay if we are watching videos that can help us. But if we're just watching videos and nagmamarites lang tayo or just to pass our time, that is not a good habit. So for me, like, instead of, I was guilty with that as well. And sometimes I still do that, but not as often as I was before because I tend to, I try to replace that habit with more functional one. What I mean by functional one is, of course, as opposed na mag-scroll para lang mamantay, Bisaya ako. Para lang talagang makikiusyoso kung anong buhay ng ibang tao. I use my time to do my online business because my business is like it's doable anywhere I am, and of course I can just use my cell phone as long as I have Wi-Fi. I am good to go. So yan yung na-replace doon. At isa pa, if I have more time, then I tend to read books or listen to motivational speeches or watching videos that will motivate me, not na magsasayang lang ako ng oras. So that's what I meant by replacing unnecessary habit and like, taking into a more, replacing it with more functional one that can help you grow as a person. And of course, the daily consistent habit na gagawin natin, because guys, success is, of course, it's not about taking a big leap all the time. It's the small, consistent action that we do every single day. Yan po ang magbibuild sa atin ng massive success. 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, it doesn't matter. It will help us grow. So yan yung kung may habit kayo na sa tingin nyo hindi nakakatulong para umunlad ang buhay nyo, then replace it with something functional, something na makatulong sa inyo para doon sa goals nyo. So of course, I believe everybody has goals. Everyone has dreams to achieve for themselves or for their family. So meron tayo niyan. So, yeah, so daily consistent action, mga small ones lang yan, it doesn't matter, it will count. Yes. And then yung ang kahapon ay the importance, yung sa 6 days course is the importance of celebrating wins. Kahit maliit man yan, kimalaki, it's very important because you know why? For me, I feel better. Because if you celebrate wins, you feel like you're doing something. You're doing something amazing for yourself. Diba? So, yan. So, maganda yun. Of course, we always celebrate big wins, right? When we have our paydays, when we have our action takers, we have our leads as an online business, yun ang mga big wins. When we have people that we are helping, when we can contribute to the community para, like, I try to be a solution, not a problem. yan ang masasabi ko, because there are already lots of things that are not nice outside of, like, anywhere in the world. Then try to be a part of the solution, not problem. So for me, I am more than, like, I am more than happy to help everybody. That's why I am on Facebook. I am on Facebook because most of you guys know, dun sa mga followers ko. By the way, shout out muna sa aking mga followers, mapabago man o mapaluma. I really appreciate you guys. I appreciate you sharing my post, engaging in my post. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Yeah. So so makakatulong yan sa atin when we celebrate wins. So we feel like we're doing something amazing for ourselves. Hindi lang na yung, let's say, ako kasi pagka halimbawa meron akong paydays. So I know that I have helped somebody, right? So I'm happy for that. So it doesn't matter kung ititreat ko ang family ko for dinner outside or lunch outside, or I'm gonna buy something for myself. Yan ang ginagawa ko. Because, like, nire-reward ko ang sarili ko. So it doesn't matter. Small wins man yan, I'm always grateful. Basta't na andyan, nakakatulong tayo. Our goal is to help people and to educate you guys that yes, it's not only, like, success is not just working hard. For me, it's working smarter. And I feel better when, like, with my online business, because I know I am helping not only my team, but also those people that are reaching out to me. And I'm more than happy to do that, right? And besides, like, as I always say, na dito po sa negosyo na ginagawa ko, my online business, I am not only growing my finances, I am also growing my personality, my confidence. Otin Chow. Thank you for watching. Maraming salamat, guys. So that's why I'm so happy to share this with you guys, and to let you know that yes, there are possibilities. There are things that we can do na, of course, maybe like, kalimitan siguro sa atin, namumula tayo na yes, you have to work hard to be successful. But we are in a technology world, right? We can spend money online without even going out. The same way we can earn without going out. We can earn from the comfort of our home, from anywhere, because that possibility is now available. So people can earn anywhere, right? And that is the business na ginagawa ko. So, yeah, so that's why I'm like, see, yung ginagawa kong Go Live Challenge is like, na-i-improve yung confidence ko, na-i-improve yung personality ko. At the same time, I'm sharing good news to you guys. And thank you na nandiyan kayo. And yeah, so anyhow, I am not, like, I am not gonna stay long. I just wanted to wrap up all the topics that I have shared with you guys, and hoping that you get value on all of those. And yeah, so feel free to reach out if you would like to, information. Ooh. Carmelita. Bakit ngayon wala pa akong stock? Yeah. So anyhow, if you would like to know what kind of business that I am sharing with you guys, and I am proud to share this one with everybody. So my website is in my business page. All you have to do is to sign up with your name and email address, and ang back office na po namin ang magpapadala ng information na kailangan nyo. So ganun lang po ka-easy. And andito po kami to help you, to guide you through kung kayo po ay interested dito sa business. So yeah, so once na napanood nyo na yung aming libreng webinar, I'm always open to talk, like, one-on-one, so long as napanood nyo na yung webinar para meron kayong idea kung ano po itatanong nyo sa akin. So yes, so that's all I have. So thank you again. Maraming salamat. I have finished my 7 days Go Lives. So, Milva, thank you for watching. But anyhow, hindi na po ako magtatagal. Yay! 2 million viewers. Thank you. Yeah, so anyhow, enjoy the rest of your Sunday and leading to Monday. I hope na hindi kayo mai-stuck sa traffic sa inyong cubicle. But anyhow, there are a lot of ways to earn and be successful. And online business is very handy. You can do this business either my full-time job pa kayo or part-time na lang. So when I started the business, I was working full-time in a resort as a sales and marketing manager. I was busy, and I'm always busy anyhow. But I always find time to do something for my business because I know nobody will benefit my hard work doing my online business kung hindi ako din at ang family ko. So I'd rather do that than working until I'm 65 or 70 for other people, building other people's dreams. So while I still have my job, now I work part-time thanks to my online business. Yeah. So so while I still have my job, I build my online business on the side, and the goal is to work full-time on my online business and not with other people. So that's the goal. Yeah. And I know it's achievable, and I'm almost there. So thank you guys. Thank you. I hope you got value on the things that I have discussed with you, I have shared with you. So thank you so much. Feel free to reach out if you have any question or yeah. And again, I appreciate you guys watching me. Thank you na sinasamahan niyo ako. Maraming salamat for tuning in. It's madaling araw na po sa Pilipinas. What is your business, ma'am? Yes, Carmelita, na andyan po sa aking business page ang aking website. All you have to do, mag-sign up lang po kayo with your name and email address, and then yung aming back office na po ang magpapadala sa inyo ng information na kailangan nyo. And then once na napanood nyo na ang webinar, feel free to reach out. I am more than willing to help you understand the business better. And yeah, so I am more than happy to help you with that. So maraming salamat again. Enjoy the rest of your Sunday. Kung saan man po kayo sa mundo, stay happy, healthy, and God bless everyone. Thank you.